So let's go to the next discussion, and it is a very important and interesting discussion. And what we are going to talk about is vehicle coast down test. And if you have not heard of it, do not worry about it. Name is not an important. I'm going to explain you an idea behind this. So let's say you are a motor manufacturer and car manufacturer has given you this specification and the vehicle performance specification, and you build the motor as per this specification and then given to the car manufacturer. Now what car manufacturer did, they put the motor on the vehicle and then tested it, and they came up with the feedback, hey, your motor is not working. I mean, it is not working as per my specification. And then you tell them that I have built my motor as per the parameter that you have given, and it is working well in my test setup. Then there is something going to be wrong in your vehicle. And the vehicle manufacturer said, no, my vehicle is right. It's something going to be wrong in your motor. Then how to solve this argument? There should be some number to clarify this argument, and that's where this vehicle cost down test is beneficial. So what I did as a manufacturer, I use this parameter, right? What is the parameter? We use the vehicle mass, the frontal area, and then rolling resistance of the wheel and the drag coefficients. And somewhere I see that there is something going to be wrong about this number in his vehicle. Then how to prove this? So just to show you, let's say right now the rolling resistance coefficient that I have 0.015, and now come to here and I put the motor torque 50 Newton meter. So the vehicle speed, now I got it 188 kmph, and the watt hour per kilometer, which is 537. Just write this number to compare it with the new rolling resistance. So the motor torque we have is 50, vehicle speed or a constant speed 188, and the watt hour per kilometer is now 537.63. Now let's change this rolling resistance coefficient to 0.045, and now see, so now the vehicle speed has come down to 163, and so that's what car manufacturer is complaining about it. So they are complaining, hey, now my vehicle speed is only 163.2 at 50 Newton meter, but it's supposed to be 188. But you says that there is something wrong with the parameter that he has given. Now you wanted to say about it, or now wanted to find this parameter. So that's what the vehicle cost down come into the picture. So you cannot exactly find the rolling resistance coefficient, but you will get a sort of ideas that there is wrong with the parameter. And we don't need exact rolling resistance coefficient, but I need a value of what? A and B parameter. See, so A is dependent upon the frontal area, drag coefficient, mass, and the air density, and B is dependent upon the rolling resistance coefficient and some other parameter. So it's not the individual parameter, but the combination of this parameter I'm interested about it. So now coming to the cost down, how it can be beneficial for the motor manufacturer to solve this conflict. So